Welcome. Hello everyone, today's I'm discuss Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 prices leaked before release. Samsung's next generation of foldable phones, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4, will be released on August 10th. This was announced by the company last week. There is a lot of interest in the fourth generation Samsung foldable before they come out. Now, the prices of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 have been leaked. Leaked listings from a European retailer show that the Samsung foldable will be slightly more expensive than the South Korean company's third-generation foldable. According to the leak, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will reportedly start for €1,864, roughly ₹1, 52,000, for the 256GB storage version. This is an increase of €165 from the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which was launched in Europe for €1,699. The price for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, on the other hand, has been listed as €1,080, which is about 88,000 rupees. This is an increase of about €81 over the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which was first sold in Europe last year for €999. Now, these prices were leaked by a store in Europe, so you should take the information with a grain of salt. Last year, Samsung released the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 and compared to the previous generation of foldable. The prices dropped by a surprising amount from one year to the next. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 was released in India for ₹1, 49,999, and the Galaxy Z Flip 3 was released for ₹84,999 and up. This is a big price drop from the Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Z Fold from the previous generation. This year, though, the prices are said to go up. Last year's prices led a lot of people all over the world to start using foldable smartphones. Especially the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which was the smallest smartphone you could get at the time. People say that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 are better than their predecessors in several ways. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is said to be thinner and have a better camera. The Galaxy Z Flip 4, on the other hand, is said to have better battery life. Samsung's next generation foldable will be released on August 10th at 6:30 PM IST. For more details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.